Hello everyone, this is Dorothy doing a bathroom makeover at 1249 East Baseline Road. You've seen the video on 1249 East Baseline Road. It's on YouTube, it's on my YouTube channel. And this is the bathroom that's inside. We're working on the bathroom now. And I wanted you to see the before pictures. It has wallpaper on it. The ceiling, which has a skylight, had wallpaper on it. Took that down, but now what we're doing, we're doing some mudding and we're going to shellac the wallpaper. Shellacking is the best way to paint over wallpaper. It's a little messy, it's smelly, but you must shellac over wallpaper, and it must be an oil base, not a water base. Any type of water base kills, will make the wallpaper bubble. No matter what anybody tells you, do not use water base. So this is the whole bathroom. As you can see, the lights fixtures will come down. It's terrible. I'm going to need a new sink. I'm going to keep the shower, however. It's right behind me. You see it. And these are the cabinets. So let me get back so I can show you the cabinets and how it all lays out. And then you go out the door. But there's a skylight up there, which is really nice. And we're coming on there's the kitchen. That's going to be another before video. But I've already changed the shower head, and it's going to need everything new. And that's Mickey who's doing all the work.
Hi there.
He knows what he's doing, guys. So that's the toilet. I've already put in a new toilet. And I'm going out the door. Another quick round. You can see it's not a pretty bathroom, but we're out the door. Already put in a new refrigerator. Gonna have to do these cabinets. And this is part of the after video. This is the living room that I showed you. This is some of the after. I painted the walls. But I've still got a long way to go. But I just want to give you a preview of what I'm doing. So stay tuned.